Hi guys, this is my Giant Reign E+3, and on this bike the dropper post developed quite a bit of play to the left and right. So I decided to have a look and see if I can fix it. First I take out the battery, then I remove the control, and then I'm gonna remove the dropper post from the frame. So the dropper post is out. First wipe it down a bit to remove the grease. Then I use this tool to remove the top collar from the post. Here you can see the plastic, which is from the keys inside the guiding keys. Now I give it a good clean, and then I disassemble the rest of the dropper post. After I cleaned everything, I greased everything with SRAM butter and then put it back together. But the guiding keys I just turned 180 degrees because on the other side the edges are still like new, and like that I put it together, and voila, no more play anymore. Play only very minimal, like it was before when it was new, the bike. Then I put the dropper post back into the frame after I hang in the cable, obviously. And this is always a bit of a game of push and pull on the cable, so the dropper post later functions properly. Then after this is done, I put back the remote control on the handlebar, and job done. Dropper post works, no play anymore. Happy with the result.